Today's video is going to be all about the new super slow motion feature on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And when you've got all your slow motion clips filmed in normal filming mode, just hit the playback button and there all your clips will be. Now I'm going to show you how to fully convert your slow motion clip into 960 frames. So just highlight the clip you want. In this case it's been filmed at 1080p 240 frames. Now to convert that into 960 frames, first of all you'll have to choose part of the clip that you want to fully slow down into super slow mode. So as you can see on this particular clip, the fruit's going to hit the bowl just after 5 seconds. So what I want to do is pause it just before the fruit hits the bowl. I think it's around there. Now hit the snail icon. And now it's going to generate the super slow motion video clip. And then just before it fully generates the clip, we'll be able to hit the preview button just to see if we're happy with that slow motion clip. And now that the preview is available, let's just look back at that to see if we're happy with that. And it always takes a few seconds just before that super slow-mo kicks in. And that's perfect at 960 frames, as you can see. And then just after a little while, it starts to speed back up. So you only get a few seconds of the 960 frames within your clip, so do be careful whereabouts you choose that. And now the clip's fully generated into 960 frames per second. If you're happy with the clip, just repeat that process on each slow motion clip. But do keep in mind, you'll only be able to generate the clips when you film in normal filming mode, not the slow motion option. So now you know how to fully generate a super slow motion clip into 960 frames. Now I'm going to put up on screen for you some fully generated 960 frame super slow-mo clips. Here we go.